everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and today what I have to share with you is the package that I'm going to be using for the winter virtual retreat for Country Craft Creations. I'm going to have links down below. There are some boxes left, so if you hurry, we'll be able to get you in on this fun retreat. So this is a virtual retreat exclusive with Country Craft Creations. It's all online, and if you do get the box, and you're going to be included in all of the awesome goodies that we have in store. Several of us designers are doing it, and we are all going to be doing some videos to share with you what we're going to be doing so you can kind of see what's going on. So it's a really great value. The kits are completely all-inclusive, and I'm going to share with you what I'm going to be playing with for this retreat project. So first of all, you get like all this stuff. So we have buttons, we have foam dots, and then I've got my collection. You get the cardstock, you get the chipboard, and you get beautiful ribbon and seam binding. So we've got this beautiful grosgrain black ribbon. It is, I believe, 1 inch. Yep, 1 inch, and it's gorgeous. And you'll get 2 yards of this to play with in your project. And then I've got this beautiful ivory seam binding that goes really well with this collection. I just love that. So 2 yards of that as well. And again, we've got some foam dots here that we're going to play with. And then look at these. This collection that I get to work with is Simple Stories. This is the Collector's Essential Kit, and we are going to get to play with that. So this is called All Wrapped Up, and it's absolutely beautiful. I just love it. So with the Collector's Kit, we're going to get the buttons here. So 24 of these beautiful buttons that match perfectly with this collection, obviously. And then we get the journal bits, all wrapped up journal bits, 38 pieces. Look how super cute all of that is. You get your bingo card. I like that it has a lot of vintagey kind of looking stuff, a lot of beautiful images. There's a library card in there, some labels, all kinds of stuff. And then I'm gonna get to use the page pieces. These are not just for layouts. These can be used all over the place. And you know, of course, they show it with using it as a layout, but you have all of these things, and they're going to make great additions to any project. So I'm super excited about that. So let's go through the papers, and I'll show you what I'm going to get to use. Oh, and I forgot. Excuse me. We also have chipboard stickers, guys. I mean, look how cool that is. Look at Santa. I like it. I like it. It's different than the, you know, usual Santa. I think that's fun. So here is the 3x4 elements. Awesome. The back of that with the holly. We have 2x2 and 4x4 elements. And these are fun because you can use these in lots of different ways with this brown polka dot on the back. That's so cute. There's the 4x6. Got some landscape, got one that's vertical. I like the colors. I like that they're vintagey, and that pop of teal in there just really makes it different. I like that. Oh, and look at the polka dots on the back. They almost look like, you know, like bingo sponge daubers or something. Kind of like that. Journal element. This one's called Journal Elements. So we've got the holly and everything on this side, and our journal elements. So we've got all kinds of different journaling cards. We've got labels, and look, they look like they've been hand drawn with stitching. That is coming back in a big way. We've got our tags. So here's the back side of the tags. Here's the front side of the tags. I'm loving these tags. These are so much fun. So much fun. You can use them in so many different ways. And I like the fact that you have journaling on the back, which is really cool if you're wanting to do something with this. But yeah, aren't that pretty? Look at that. This one's Oh What Fun with all the old cars with the Christmas trees on the top. I love it. And the ledger in the back, this beautiful checkered pattern. And then on the, oh, look at that. That's really cute. I haven't looked at this collection yet, so I'm really excited about this. I like that. I like how the stripes are just, they're off angled, you know. More of that stitching. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I like that. I like that. Red polka dot. This one's called Magical Season. Super pretty. And the music notes, I love that. Super love that. Oh, that is so nice. Oh my goodness. How cute is that with the little tape on there? Oh, I love that. The Christmas lights called twinkle lights. There you go. And our Christmas trees, those are adorable. This is beautiful, called Peace and Joy. That's beautiful. See, that pop of the kind of the tealy kind of green. Love it. Love it with the poinsettias. Beautiful, beautiful. This one's very merry. Love it. So you get the whole collector's set. You get everything there is to go with this collection. And I am super excited about playing with this. I just think this is going to be a fun project to make. So we have that. Then you're going to get 15 sheets of the black artisan cardstock. 15. So you don't have to go in your stash and get artisan cardstock. It's going to come in your package. So that is super awesome. You're also going to get a couple sheets of the white, and I got 3 sheets of the white for making mats and things like that, photo mats. So you get 3 of those, and then you're also going to receive 2 of the heavyweight chipboards. So this is a super value, and this is just my package. This is not everybody else's package. I mean, like, there's so many of us that are going to be doing this. I mean, you guys are going to get loaded with fun projects. And this is a virtual retreat, so you can do this in the privacy of your own home at your own time. Most of the tutorials, well, all of them will be filmed and they'll all be saved so that you can go back and do them anytime you want. And I think Tamara will do hers live. She usually does. The rest of us usually go ahead and record them, so they will be offered at certain times, and you can do this at your own pace, and it's awesome. So this is what I'm going to work with. I have simple stories all wrapped up. You get all of these goodies. You're going to get some foam, you're going to get cardstock, you're going to get chipboard, and then you're going to get the gorgeous seam binding and ribbon as well. So, you know, this is going to be an awesome package, and I cannot wait to start creating with it. So thank you so much for watching. I'm putting this out on Sunday, and I think that the deadline to sign up is Monday. So please hurry and go and check it out, and then check out all the other designers on their channels. We're going to be doing haul videos and things like that, so you can see, kind of get a heads up on what you're going to get. But this is just my package. This is not including everybody else's. So you guys, fantastic deal. Please do go run and grab yours today. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and stay crafty. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.